Hi guys, Skillmodel Hobby here. Welcome to day number 2 of trying to make £400 in 2 weeks from selling model kits. So as of yesterday's video, we've had a lot of interest with the models we put on eBay. Across the 9 items we've got about 20 watches, so hopefully, possibly after Christmas, these people will make a purchase. I am pleased to report we have had a sale from yesterday's items. The Hawk 7 pack has sold for £12, which is a decent little start. It's a long way off 400, but it's a sale, and a sale is going to get us somewhere. Furthermore, I've also completed a commission build in yesterday and this morning, which is another £40 profit. So here it is, guys. The Bandai 1/72 scale TIE Fighter. I will insert a couple images taken with a camera that are much higher quality than me just showing it to you, but that is £40 of our total sales. Finally, I decided to list a couple unbuilt kits I don't have any interest in building just this morning, and less than an hour in, we have managed to sell the Esquire 148 Tornado for £7.62. So that brings our total for our challenge 24 hours in to £59.62. So just over an eighth of the way there. So let's see if any of our watchers are going to purchase ready for tomorrow.